What is up, guys? Welcome to another video, and in this video what I will be showing you how to do is how you can invite friends to your Monopoly Go game, guys. The process is quite quick and quite easy, so let's get right into it. The main way that you can invite friends to your Monopoly Go game is by going into the Friends tab in the bottom right. Once you click it, you will get this screen. The first tab that will automatically be open for you is the Add Friends tab, and here you will find several random people who you can request to add as your friends. But this is not what we want to do. We want to invite our own friends who we already know to join us in our game of Monopoly Go. The way you do this is by clicking this green button that says invite in the bottom right of your screen, which has a person and this small plus right next to it. By clicking that, you get this screen. This tells you how you can invite friends, and you have two options, guys. You have the invite by link, which is the top orange button, and you have the bottom invite by Facebook blue button. What you want to do is you can click on invite by Facebook, and you will actually be able to share with your friends on Facebook. I do not want to do this. What you can also do is send it by link. Once you click this screen will appear, and you will be able to send it to either one of your groups on any messaging platform you have. But another way you can do this, guys, is by also clicking the copy button. Once you click the copy button, you will be able to manually send your link by a message to whoever you want. You can send it, you can post it on Facebook, post it on Reddit, send it by email. You can do it however you want, guys. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can invite your friends to your Monopoly Go game. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you in another video.